So I prepare a GitHub repository so I can show you how to deal with emails while you are working with serverless architecture, like if you are using, for example, function compute in Alibaba Cloud. Because usually one of the main problems of using serverless computing is that lack of the classic server-side processing of all this functionality and some features you usually have in, for example, a classic PHP backend. That is, someone creates an account and well, you send an email to confirm that account, or you forget your password. So well, you send an email to send the password, things like that. So this is a very simple example, okay? Nothing fancy. So everything it uses is function compute and the sending blue token. It's a platform that lets you send emails or create newsletter campaigns. They let you use, I don't remember now, but around 300 emails per day for free. So if you are just a small company or personal, or you are using this for personal use, you can just use this platform for free. And usually the emails, they don't go to spam, which helps if you're building a small community. So let's go. So first of all, I have this open. This project is the GitHub repository I prepare. You can find it right here under my account, Rora356A/FC Fun Sending Blue. So this how to, you get your Alibaba Cloud credentials from the web console and you need your account ID and API secret key pair. We need this to fill out this file. So as you can see, I already put my Alibaba Cloud user ID, but I need the secret and the ID. So if we go to user management, I already prepare this one for you. So, well, not for you, for the example. I will delete this access key after the video, so don't use it. Here we paste it, we go back, we copy the secret, and we put it there. In this case, we are using AP Southeast 1, which is Singapore, and a timeout time of 10,000 milliseconds, which is 10 seconds. Fill the env file with set credentials. We just did that. Set your valid email address and sending blue token in the template YAML file under environment variables. Okay, we open the template YAML. This is, if you ever use Docker Compose, the Docker Compose.yaml is the config file where you, well, basically define all the resources you want to use. In this case, template.yaml is the config file fun uses. So you define all your resources. Well, this is very simple. It just creates a serverless service and a function. Inside the function, you have environment variables, which is your email, your name, and sending blue token. The runtime is nodejs 8, and the code is in the code folder, which is right there. Of course, because it's Node, you have the package.json, a package log, and the actual function. Here, as you can see, your email, your name, and sending blue token, they are getting the values from the environment. The function is very simple. So you have this requiring the API, a normal response, and some arguments which you can find in the Sending Blue API documentation. Okay, so I think it's everything ready. Let's go. I think I have Fun in my computer already? Yes. Okay, so then everything we need to do is run fun deploy. Oh well, first we need to cd into code. Where am I? Oh, I'm already in code. So then npm install, cool, with cd app, fun deploy, and this will deploy this function to our Alibaba Cloud account. You can see how it's packing the code. Cool, everything is there. So now we go back to the console, function compute, Singapore. As you can see, there is nothing. If we refresh this page, exactly, mailer functions. That name you can see there, and mailer the function. Go to code. We have function right here, which is exactly the same as the one we have in our computer. It's already synchronized. To test it, we need to go to event, write the event. In our case, is in the README. Just for the example, just copy and paste, and okay. In this case, we invoke the function, and it will error in our case. Key not found in database. Of course, because I'm using, well, a token that doesn't exist. In your case, you will need to go to your Sendinblue account and put the token there. This is it. As you can see, I have a repository where you can find, well, all the help you need. And if you follow the instructions and as in this video, you will be able to send yourself a nice email. Thank you for watching.